Imagine building an empire of businesses, a fortress of financial strength that endures through market cycles and generations a circumflex euros. That's the essence of emulating Berkshire Hathaway's unparalleled success. So, how do you lay the foundation for an investment company that mirrors the strategic brilliance and diversified power of Berkshire Hathaway? It all begins with a core philosophy. Step 1. Embrace disciplined capital allocation. This means relentlessly seeking out businesses with sustainable competitive advantages a circumflex euros. Companies that generate strong, predictable cash flow, possess pricing power, and ideally, have a moat protecting them from competitors. Think of it as finding exceptional companies at fair prices, not just any company at any price. Step 2. Cultivate a long-term perspective. Berkshire Hathaway doesn't chase short-term fads. Instead, it invests for the very long haul, allowing compounding to work its magic. This requires patience and a deep understanding of the underlying businesses, not just their stock prices. Step 3. Identify and empower exceptional management talent. Berkshire Hathaway's decentralized model relies on brilliant individuals running their acquired businesses as an aspiring titan. Your ability to find, attract, and retain managers with integrity, entrepreneurial spirit, and a keen understanding of their respective industries is paramount. Step 4. Diversify strategically, not haphazardly. Build a portfolio of businesses across various sectors. Focusing on those you understand deeply, this diversification acts as a buffer against industry-specific downturns and allows you to capitalize on opportunities in various economic landscapes. Step 5. Master financial acumen and ethical principles. This is the bedrock. Understand financial statements inside and out. Analyze intrinsic value and operate with unwavering integrity. Trust and reputation are your greatest assets. Building an investment company like Berkshire Hathaway is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about strategic vision, patient execution, and a commitment to excellence. With these principles as your guide, you can begin charting your own path to investment mastery.